Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got an ovarian cancer awareness collaboration with Chase Murray. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Simple Colors Tealing Power. Beautiful teal with some shimmer. And I'm going to go in with my first coat here. I'm going to get this down and dry and then go in for some more coats. So if you haven't watched Chase's channel, you're going to have to go check it out. I'll have a link down below. I'm so excited to be doing a collaboration with him. Here is my second coat of Tealing Power. And pardon Cotton, he's bed swimming. He's just teasing you guys because, you know, he knows y'all want to see that. Goofball. So there we go. So I realized when I was getting ready for this collab that I don't own that very many teal polishes. How strange is that? So here goes that third coat. I decided to go ahead and do 3 coats just because I could still see a little bit of visible nail line, so I went ahead and went for that third one. I am topping this one with that Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Gonna seal it in so we can do some stamping. And Chase picked out our collaboration theme for today. So a hot dog for that because I've never done one of these. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang 17, BM324, and BM307. And I'll be stamping with Simple Shine. And this is Magic Dragon. And I've got my Beauty Scraper and my little AliExpress stamper. I'll also be using that Pro FX sticky base. I'm going to apply that to my nail. And I normally apply a thinner layer than this, but I knew that I was going to, you know, put it on there and let it dry for just a couple of seconds or a few seconds and then stamp on it. So I knew it would be all good. So I'm going to use these butterflies. For all the pictures I saw, there were some butterfly images, teal polishes, and of course the awareness ribbons. And I found this French tip design, but I'm gonna use it a little differently, I guess. Not totally French tip. There we go. I'm gonna get some of that excess up with that tape. And I'm just kind of, it's not really French tip, kind of almost like a diagonal swooping across the tip. I wasn't really sure how to use this one, so I just used it how I wanted to. And I do notice that this teal is not showing up really well on camera. Now in person it showed up much better. Excuse me. Here we go with that awareness ribbon. And I decided for the awareness ribbon I was going to do the white behind it and then plop some of that teal that dragon one over the top of it, but just kind of offset it a little bit. It looked really pretty. And I have stamped white over the butterflies to make them pop a little bit better. I just kept adding to this one. That's what happens when I get to playing sometimes. And believe it or not, I actually did like a test swatch of this on a fake nail and it looked like it was showing up way better. So now I've decided it needs a little bit more. So I'm using these little bitty awareness ribbons and I'm going to add them to my 3 nails that have this design on it, that swooped French tip look. I just decided it needed something, so I'm going to add a couple of ribbons to each one of those nails. Just because I can. I just keep playing with it. That, and I really kind of, you know, I wanted to kind of go all out with this one. Because like I said, I've never done an ovarian cancer awareness manicure. And we're just going to keep on keeping on with these little bitty ribbons. That, and I kind of knew Chase is probably going to go all out, and his manicure's probably going to be just jamming. He has got some bling-tastic things going on over there on his channel. I will, of course, have a link for him down below. And Chase, I want to thank you for playing with me. I enjoyed it. Looking forward to doing this again sometime in the future. It's hard to get those little bitty pieces up when you got little bitty designs. So there we go. And now I've got some Poshe top coat and some of these little gems. I'm using kind of like a teardrop one. And these are kind of like multicolored, kind of like rainbow looking little gems. And I'm going to put it in the center of this ribbon here. You know, have them, might as well use them, all right? So hi Woody, how you doing? Good job, multitasking. Good deal. And I really, really loved how this turned out. Love to hear from you though, so leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.